like a donut, which is this is how it's supposed to go. So I'm going to just spread this out again, but not that thin. So then I'm gonna do this. So it's gonna come out good. I'm gonna cut it out like this with the spatula. See? And then after that, I'm just gonna cut it out. It's gonna be like a triangle. I mean, it's called a diamond. I don't really know if I'm not gonna. It might turn out like a little one, but then I can make cookies. So I will make cookies. So I'll roll this up. What you see is little, because that's how you make cookies. You roll them up.
This is gonna be fun. Once Whirlybird has the box, tell him.
Okay, and then after that, if you like want to decorate it, you can just like flatten it a little
One
bit.
more thing, also. It's very noisy on top of her feet, so you need to shout really loud
What
so
time
Whirlybird can hear you. Okay.
Make one like that. See, can you see how I made mine?
Now, which box am I supposed to move?
And look how it turns out, and then that's one cookie that I made, you see? And then I make another one. Then I roll it up like that, like I did this one. And then,
Oh, here's my baby. Cut it out.
and then I push it down a little bit.
So what are you making on YouTube?
Cookies.
Oh.
And then I put this down like this. Take it out. And then I make it like this. Okay, I made it like this one. And cut.